So Lucas Systems provides mobile work execution solutions into the warehousing and distribution industry, and to some extent more broadly up and down the supply chain. Our solutions entail a couple of different technological components. One is a mobile client piece, which runs today on Android smartphones. Associates are directed where to go in the warehouse and what to do through Jennifer, the voice of that mobile client.
So we use a lot of smartphones, and I think it's awesome to be able to work with technologies that that everyone has in their pocket, and it's something that I use every day and I get to develop against it.
There's a growing need, growing demand for the mobile work execution solutions that we deliver. Our developers are working on technology that's getting installed into warehouses today that's dramatically improving the overall operations of those warehouses.
It's exciting to be growing so fast. It's exciting to be adding people and figuring out how we can still be as effective as more people come in. We figured out how to divide ourselves up into teams. That gave us the chance to preserve that decision making and creativity right in small groups. It feels really good to be part of that.
So there's also great growth opportunities internationally. And so we opened up a UK-based office where we have both sales as well as development activities. We also have many of our US-based or North American-based customers who are taking us into their European and even more broader global operations.
For people who write software here at Lucas, they've got to not only master the software discipline of how do you create software in a product context. That's already interesting enough. We've got to make it work while we are simultaneously solving 3 different customers' problems. And it's a very stimulating environment. It's just, you better be on your game.
The most special thing about my job is every day is different. Every 3 months you have a new project, it's a new customer, there are different people, new team to work with. Within 3 months, I'll see a DC go live and use the product that I work on. And you can see how the user is using it.
Yeah, I never saw any of my code in a production environment before working here.
We went to go live and I was working with a specific user. So she had been picking for maybe 20, 25 minutes. And she gets to the end and she was like, wow, this is awesome. This is gonna make my job so much easier.
And that's one of the things that's really fun about this is we run into new challenges all the time. It's never the same thing project to project.
Not only that side, but also on the development side, we get experience with so many different type of things.
It's constantly evolving, it's constantly changing, it's always something new, and I love it. The fast-paced environment, the multitasking, it allows me to look for new challenges, it allows me to broaden my horizons, it allows me to learn new things every day as I'm working.
Every single person at Lucas is willing to help at any time.
Across teams, it doesn't matter who you are or which department you're in, whoever's able to help you is willing to help you. And we all want to help each other and see each other do well.
So I was a little worried when I came in as someone right off college. I had zero industry experience, zero experience as a software engineer. They took me right in, and now I'm traveling to sites with these people and I'm learning brand new things every day from people who have dozens of years of experience, and I think that's really cool.
I think that the culture here is definitely one of trust, and that people are going to give everyone the benefit of the doubt. So everyone's very willing to give you responsibility and then take a step back and just let you execute on that, which is a great environment to work in.
People here are responsible. They know what their jobs are, and you get your stuff done, and you're trusted that you're going to be responsible with it.
I think as a company, we kind of offer a unique sort of hybrid or best of both worlds. We've been in business for nearly 2 decades now. We've been consistently profitable every year since we've been in business.
It's got the people that have been around and that know their stuff, but then there is the pace of a startup.
In terms of the perks that we have here, we have games, and we have social Fridays, and company lunches.
Donuts, beer, they got foosball, hockey, ping pong.
If you need some type of relief from working, you can go and play foosball, play bubble hockey, play ping pong.
They help us develop the camaraderie.
Just because it gives everybody an opportunity to kind of chit chat and not think about work and kind of gear up for your weekend.
I like being creative with everybody in here. You can buy food anywhere, but you really can't buy people that like to work and play together.
I think at the top of the list of why it's a great place to work is the group of people who is here and how we solve problems together. It's a great place to show up to every day.